everyone, this is Zoe. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to greet in Chinese. You've probably watched a few other videos that also teach you some basic phrases to greet people in Chinese. But did you know that the different phrases need to be used in different scenarios? Let's dive in to see how to use them appropriately. The first phrase is, you probably already know, 你好. Both characters are third tones. It literally means you good in Chinese, meaning how do you do or how are you in English. This is usually a formal phrase you use when you meet your colleague or client at work. For example, if you meet your client whose name is Jessica for the first time, you can say, 你好 Jessica, 很高兴见到你. Hi Jessica, nice to meet you. The second phrase is actually a transformed term from English hello, but is now commonly used among young people in China. It's hello. For example, if you meet a new friend or add someone new on your WeChat, you can say hello, hello, as a way to greet and start a conversation. The third phrase is 你吃了吗? This phrase literally means have you eaten? It's one of the most commonly used greeting phrases. When you ask someone 你吃了吗? It's generally considered as a polite greeting rather than a specific question. To answer that, you can say, yes, I have. How about you? 我吃过了，你呢? Exactly like the English phrase, how are you? I'm good, thank you. And you? Now you know how to greet people properly in Chinese. Start practicing with your Chinese friends. Subscribe to get more videos.